Good day everyone, my name is Romel F. Santos from BSET English 3A. Now I will be discussing the famous works of George Gordon Byron. So before that, let's first know who is George Gordon Byron. So George Gordon Byron, 1788 to 1824, commonly known as Lord Byron, was a leading figure in the Romantic movement, a celebrated British poet and a flamboyant aristocrat. His works are known for their passionate expression, exploration of personal freedom, and complex characterization. Byron's most famous works includes Childe Harold's Pilgrimage, Don Juan, and The Giaour. His poetry often dealt with themes of love, loss, freedom, and rebellion with a strong sense of individualism. His life was dramatic as his writing marked by scandal, tempestuous life, and involvement in Greek independence from the Ottoman Empire. He was born into British aristocracy, inheriting the title of Lord Byron at a young age after the death of his father. Lord Byron's at young age. Early works brought him fame, but his later years were marked by personal strife, including sumo relationship and political controversy. He died in Greece at age of 36 while fighting in the Greek War of Independence, where he became a national hero. Byron's legacy endures in both his literary contribution and his larger-than-life persona. So, now I will be reading the summary of one of the famous work of George Gordon Byron's, the Childe Harold's Pilgrimage. It is a narrative poem by George Gordon Byron, first published in 1812. The poem is one of Byron's most famous works and is often seen as a cornerstone of Romantic movement. It consists of 4 cantos, with the first canto published in 1812 and the final one is in 1818. So the summary is the poem follows the journey of a young man, Childe Harold, who embarks on a pilgrimage across Europe to escape his troubled past and seeks redemption. This character, deeply melancholic and disillusioned with life, reflects Byron's own feelings of dissatisfaction and alienation. As Harold travels through various countries, Spain, Italy, Greece, he meditates on a grandeur of nature, the ruins of ancient civilization, and the failings of mankind. Through the eyes of Harold, Byron explores themes of despair, loss, and quest of meaning. The poem is not just a travelogue, but a meditation on the transient nature of human achievement and the inevitability of death. It also offers a critique of contemporary society, especially the corruption and decay in European politics and culture. That's all. Thank you.